from daily payouts. Eyes on charts, the market shouts. Numbers rise and numbers fall, but I can't seem to catch them all.
Hello, good afternoon. We here for a little afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. All right, let me see here. Oh. Let me see. Can I spell? What up, Rob? I don't know if I'll be able to fit all this on the screen here, but I guess we'll try. Okay. I think it was on here before. How come I can't? Okay, there we go. Wait. There we go. Did I have all this on here before? I don't know if I did. I kind of thought I did. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, don't give me that. I don't know what I did, guys. It disappeared. I don't know where it went. Darn it. There's the line. I got to figure out how to grab it. What up, fronts? What a blunder of a morning. Yeah, it was tough this morning. Deshaun in the house. That's annoying. I screwed that up. I don't really know how to fix it. How do we fix it? Ha! Got it. Right, I don't know if I can fit all this on here or not. I gotta try to make it smaller. Oh, god dang it, I did the same thing again. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, guys, I'm struggling over here. Alright, let's see here. I gotta make this smaller. Yeah, that's what I need to be doing. Oh, went too far. The struggle's real over here, guys. The struggle is real. Real. The struggle's real. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't know that I had this no activation fee in here. Probably not. So let's take that off. That's probably all I had in there. Yeah, that most likely is it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. All right. Trying to squeeze more in there than I needed to. Let's go. We're back. Kofer, we're back for a little afternoon delight. Let's Let's post this. Copy. Let's post this in the Discord. No, don't want to post it there. We are live. I had a little runner going on this trade here, but unfortunately got stopped out. I do think I am going to switch over to an eval. What up, son of Wall Street? I think I'm going to switch over into an eval. Right now I got Tom Sable in my DMs. Let's see what he's talking about. All right, we just kind of been holding that 21 EMA the whole way down. I got a stuck order here. Can't get it off. I'm going to open my Ninja back up, but I'm only going to be on an eval on the Ninja. Let's get Ninja open back up. Let's go from there. Ninja Trader's got another update? What the hell? I'm not doing that right now. I literally just updated Ninja. Now they got another update. We'll do that later. Let me restart this connection too so this stupid stuck order can disappear. Nothing more annoying than a stuck order. And I don't even think I'm going to connect all of my accounts. Just only the one that I'm going to be trading. Coper, you'll have to try Myth, M-Y-T-H. I'm in a battle right now trying to get my code fixed. But M-Y-T-H will work. Like, nobody's taken the code because the code doesn't work. But it's just I can't put it on my account. It won't allow me. It keeps saying, I got a ticket open with them right now. It keeps saying that the code is not valid. For whatever reason, so. But we'll get it fixed with them soon enough. Let's see here. All right. Hmm. 24,949. Okay, it is. Okay. I got an eval over here. We're going to be a little degeneracy on it. Going to be a little degen. Yeah, it keeps saying, this is what it keeps saying. This code is already being used. Please select another one. But it's not letting me, yeah. So. I just put the Myth code on there for now. Not much I can do. Mm-hmm. As far as like what we expect this afternoon, tough to say. What was that? Mancini basically has said, oh, come on. I hate when it does this. I moved one chart and everything disappeared. Okay. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Let's get it all back up. There we go. He's basically saying that we need to recover the 18 to 22 to kind of flip the control of the day back up to the upside. And we're currently 30 points away from that. Business Lens, I don't have any TPT accounts to give away right now. Unfortunately, we're reasonably close. Now, Take Profit Trader did go back to the 40% off, guys. If you didn't know, 40% off, no activation fee. Fantastic deal. I think that's the best deal that they've had. I think they should just stick with that. But this is where we're at. We need 12 more sales effectively to get to 2 50K giveaways. And we need 62 more sales to get to 350K giveaway. So, been kind of a sluggish month. We're over halfway there, just across the halfway mark of the month. We might get to this, we might not. It's going to be very, very close. So, I don't get any special, like they don't just give me accounts to give away. I have to earn them. So, unfortunately. Once we get there, I have no problem giving them to you guys. We just got to get there first. We gots to get there. All right, so I'm done for the day on my funded account. We ended up $350. I'm just going to lock that in and be done with it. Look at the fees that we paid today, guys. $281 in fees. That's insane. But we were degenning it up. Not going to lie. We took quite a bit more trades than we should have. A little bit of a degen today. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, Mama said there'll be days like this. And then on our funded accounts, the other accounts were up about $50. I guess I can connect those so I can show you guys. I don't even have them connected because Ninja froze earlier and I just closed it. I hate how Ninja says, how it says order filled when you connect. But you see, we got our little base hit, $50. Honestly, should have made a lot more. Let me show you guys the trade that we took. If you weren't here on the stream. This is the trade we took right here. So the push up into the... was it that one? No, actually... yeah, was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. No, wait, was it? I think so. It was either here or here. The time should tell me. I think it was... I don't remember which one it was, to be honest. Was it there? Or was it the... oh, no, it was down here. Okay. No, it couldn't have been down here because I took it on stream. I think it was this one. I think it was the first touch of the 21, or maybe right here. Yeah, this is it, right here. So we got short right at the 303s, and we just took 10 points. It did end up paying about 30 points, but it did not give me... it went so fast. See the wick? No, wait. Right here. This wick right here, it just went so fast that we didn't have a chance to move the target, unfortunately. But either way, we're just kind of chopping right there. Trade of the day really was the opening range trade. I tell you guys about this trade every single day. Stop midpoint 456, short from 431. We took the short here. I entered with a second contract. I went to break even on this push back up. And yeah, it stopped me out break even, and then this thing just sold off 475, 85, whatever it is from the entry. just straight down. Now, guys, you might look at this and say like, oh, well, that's just one of those rare days. Yeah, it is one of those days where we go straight down. But this happens with this trade about once a week, where you have a nice 500 points, where you have a nice 150, 200 point runner. And that's what I'm trying to that's what I'm trying to catch with these trades. But unfortunately, today it only put me in with one. I took profit at the VWAP, which was the 1R, and then it bounced. I entered again. It went back down to the VWAP, bounced again. Like, I just needed to leave the stop at break even. In my back test, I did not move the stop. Obviously, that's easier to do in a back test than it is in a forward test, but it's something I got to do. So, dun, 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 dun. Okay. Wow, nice little pushback above the 21 here. Yes, trying to push back above the 89 level. I mean, every time we've gotten up into this range, it's just kind of rejected. I think I may try a little, maybe we'll try a little short here. I don't know that we bottomed for the day. Let me see. Kind of just a range play. What up, Pine Tree? Bull's broken today. Santa's nuts crushed. Maybe. Maybe. They got crushed. Might just buy kind of. Might sell right in this area. Again, this is an eval, so. We'll put the stop up here. I'm just going to take a little range play here. I don't even know if I want to take it down. I guess 36 not unreasonable. Especially if we get through 40. Do I just take the 40 though? I am on a mini here. I'll scale pretty hard once we get to the 40, I think. Another good day. You love bear days. Let's go. No rally, nutcracker suit. How'd you do, the Pine Tree? How much money did you make? I'm sure you got some daily payouts. Some daily payouts. I mean, really, if you just got short and just, you know, was stubborn and didn't sell, like that was the play for sure, right? Think below 45. I'm going to throw the stop in. 2K daily payout. That's awesome. That is awesome. If we kind of push below that 45, we should potentially go. Holding up here at the 9 EMA. I mean, every one of these flags is broken eventually. I've not done a very good job at kind of playing the range and seeing the flags and stuff today, to be honest. I mean, I'm green everywhere, so I can't complain, but I feel like I've left quite a bit of points on the table today, just not playing it correctly. Maybe trying to look for reverses when they're not necessary, you know? But you kind of get caught in that sometimes. Sir Doss, I just did it today. Today's the first day. That's not clickbait, bro. That's 10K winners. That's 10,000 winners. No, I did it. I'm kind of like poking fun at another streamer a little bit. You're tan everywhere. Yeah, there's another streamer who posts like 700 winning trades, 3 losses. But the 3 losses are bigger than all 700 winning trades. So just kind of playing into that a little bit. Just having a little fun. Just having a little fun, if you will. A little fun. Stops going in. We hit the 45. Let's zoom lower. Let's zoom, zoom, zoom. In a vroom, vroom, vroom. Locking in my 10. Getting my 12 anyway. Let's go. 703 is a scam? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just kind of poking fun at, at that. 10,000. Tomorrow I'm going to put 10,000 losing trades in a row. 3 winners. Trying to see which one attracts more, visitors to the channel. All right, we got the W there. What was that? How much dollars? 290. Woo, we got out just in time. Just in time. All right, let's get some music going. I'm over here sitting with no music. Go for the boobs. Get the boobs. Something with boobs. Gotta love those clickbaiters. Those master clickbaiters. We're going to go with a little bit more of the kind of music this afternoon. A little more like, music that just goes hard. That's what we're going to do. I mean, that 21 EMA has just been a money printer today. Look at that thing. The red line is the 21. We had a couple spikes above it, but for the most part, it's just held. It's just held. It's just a money printer. It's like Jerome with the money printer. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. 50 EMA2, yeah. You think the NQ wants to pump? I don't know. Doing a little something. I think I'm going to stay in short mode until Mancini says we got to recover 20. So, as long as we hold below 22, I'm just going to be in short mode, I think. CPI, is that tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow. Shoes going, yeah. Oh, goodness. Top of the range, maybe another short here. And I can just use I really can just stick with smallish stop. I'm just going to keep doing it until it fails. And then I still might do it again. Come on, NQ. We can't mess up my 10,000 winning trades in a row. We cannot mess it up, bro. Oh, yeah, not to mention, all those trades, eval trades. Eval trades. Not one funded trade. All evals. All eval trades. Break even stop on this probably like 48. Yeah, the problem with that XT is that's happened so many times already. I mean, how many times have we popped above that 06 and just failed to hold it? Now, this is an eval that I'm on here as well, guys. Just to be clear. Just to be clear. All right, stop to break even. Actually, let's lock some in. Nah, let's just go break even. Come on. Actually, no real reason to go break even here. There we go. I'll lock in 5 points. $100 locked in. Through 40, I'm going to move down more. Marshall Mathers. Might get stopped. Oof. Tried to lock in the 10. Didn't quite get it down in time. There we go. Got the 10 points. Locked in the 10. Just playing the range here. We came from above. Now we come from below. 06 is a good level. Yeah, it might be. I don't know. Right now, I'm playing this range right here. This idiot box range. That's what I'm playing. I mean, you can see this clear range here. Nice. Actually, not a bad spread on the range. About 35 points. But I'm liking the shorts more than I'm liking the longs just because, like, we are bearish, right? Tom Sabo box, correct. We are bearish, so there we go. What up, Frank? Robert? Tucson kid. Blow your ears out with that? Not scare anybody?
My words are like a dagger with a jagged edge.
We scare anybody? All right, guys, we're going to play this range again, but I'm thinking short. I mean, I could play the long here too, I guess. We'll play long with like a short stop. Nah. I like having the protection of the EMAs up here, so I think short's the way to go. I'll wait for that pump back up, and then we'll look for another short. Guys, the Lucid Flex is still on sale. The 25 and 50K, 35% off. Use code MM. All other plans, 30% off. Bulonox still 90% off. Apex, 80% off. 91% on Bulonox. Use code MYTH for Apex and Bulonox. All right, coming back up into my short. Back to the range again, guys. Top of the range. Going to go for the 10-point scalp here one more time. Up 5 points. Stops going in. I put it in a little early there because we are kind of middle of the range. What up, Martin? I could re-enter here. All right, I'm going to re-enter. I think it goes. Stops in. I'm going to take 4 or 5 points there. Okay, there it goes. This is going to take what I could. That's all we're going to do today, guys. We're just going to play this range. We're going to play the range. Yeah, Pine Tree. I was just talking to Tom behind the scenes, you know. And, yeah, don't like it. He said he's been waiting for a couple of weeks on his affiliate payout. Let me make sure that I blew my accounts from them last week. I want to make sure I don't have any that are gonna. I don't know if they rebill or not, but I don't want them to. Let me just make sure. Tron coin, yeah, I don't have much money with them. I got $529. I guess I need to I don't have any way of requesting it though because I don't have a Coinbase account. Have you ever gotten anything from them? Okay, so I do have an account with them. How do I... I don't know how to cancel the accounts. I'm trying to figure this out. Did they rebill? Pine Tree, do you know? You opened a trust wallet and they paid. I need to do that. How do you cancel the accounts? Do they rebill? Anybody know? They don't rebill? Santa Coins, Marcine? It says ongoing. Does that mean my account's not blown? Yeah, I don't think... Yeah, it doesn't look like they rebill. I need to open up something. A trust wallet is what you got? Did you say trust wallet? Trust wallet. Let me see how I get that. I need to go ahead and do that in request. You're loving this clickbait? Let's go, Convergence. It's an app. I'm going to just put it on my computer. Yeah, the 1 minute rule business lens, from what I understand, is if your trade's less than a minute, you forfeit do you forfeit the funds, right? If it's less than a minute, which is insanity. Why is it not doing the extension? Why? You think it was 10 seconds? Yeah, it was nothing crazy before. All right, see what Mancini says. Bulls must recover '06 to start a push up. So I guess '06 still does make sense. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, no, it won't Convergence. That's an insane rule. What the hell? All right, so once you do the wallet, what do you do then? I don't quite know what I do there. No crypto activated. How do I get the wallet? Pine Tree, how do I get like the wallet thing and all that? All right, let me see what you said. You have to request, then give them the wallet address. Think you're going to reverse charges on my last eval from Funny Ticks? Yeah. Team sport. Cushion answer motion. Insect exercise upgrade. Okay, I just don't know. I don't know how to get the address. I don't know how to get the address. my address. Hey, there we go. And I need to find Tron, I'm guessing. I'm guessing I got to find Tron. Copy. All right, now let's go back over here. Let's request our payout. I am requesting my payout. Check your email to confirm your wallet. All right, I think I got it. Oh, we may have another short opportunity here, guys. Let's take it. Let's see here. Let's see here. Confirm wallet. I'm going to sign into this crap. Can I just do it here? I already did that. God dang it. This thing is so annoying. Let's check my email on here. All right. Wallet's confirmed. Okay. All right, I got it confirmed. And I requested everything, right? Or do I have to do it again? Okay. Payout has been submitted successfully. It says next payout date. That is wrong. Okay, I requested my payout from them effers. $529. Let's see if we get it. Thank you, Pine Tree, for that. I would have never figured that shit out. I'm a bit of an idiot sometimes. There we go. All right. Do we take the short here? Back to the very top of the range. I think so. I think we do. I mean, why do anything else? And 75. I tell them. What do we got? New 15-minute candle here in about a minute. Can't figure out how to get it out of my trust wallet. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't care to even take it out, Pine Tree. I'll leave it in there and just buy other crypto with it. Who cares? I may not leave it in Tron, but I'll leave it in there. Oh, you can buy evals with it. That's good too. That's good too. The next shove below this wick here, I'll put the stop in. Really could target lower. Let's do that. I mean, there's no point in not. Come on. Looks like this is going to be the one time it goes towards the top of the range. I'll have to look to see if I can't work my way out of it, or if it holds below the 50. Nice reaction. Got to get back below that 51 here to really push lower. Oh, my Fund Futures and Tradeify take Tron? Interesting. Kind of fighting those EMAs now to get my profit. I don't like doing that. I kind of like shorting below them. I didn't wait on this one. I really wasn't paying attention. I might. I don't know. I might kill it, but I'm going to give it a moment and see. I mean, if it gets kind of below here, I'll just go ahead and throw the stop in. Probably just get stopped out, break even. I'm waiting for it to break through the EMA there. Tested it, but didn't get through there. If it wasn't an eval, I would just go ahead and take it off. But since it's an eval, that next push lower might break through there. Let's see. Got the macro time coming up here in about a minute and a half. Could have definitely had a better entry here. It's top of the range. Yeah. 5 minutes definitely chopping. You know what, though? We did kind of... One thing I don't like about this, we did kind of trap lower a minute ago. So I'm not sure. I'm just going to get out of it. See if it would have stopped me. Of course it's going to go now, huh? Oh. Oh. Close below 50 over here. Could close below those EMAs, I would take the short again. Then I'm back to this joke. Did you never turn on? Again, we get below there on the 2 minute here. We close below there. I'm going to jump back in. I know that sounds a little bit insane, but I just don't want to fight the EMAs there. You can see that's kind of what we're doing here, just holding above them. I think we close back below them, we're going to get a little bit of a push lower. Just a little push lower. 40 points or so. And again, we're going to be a little more aggressive because we are in an eval here. I haven't traded a mini in a while. Feels weird trading a mini. Pine Tree said, what? Feels weird trading a mini. What? All right, I'm in 2 minis. 2 minis, not just one, 2. We got the close below the EMAs there, so I think this will kind of dump it here. That's kind of what I was waiting on. Oh, and if not, then not. What can you do? No! Look at that thing. Just closed below and then just ripped out. You mother trucker. You son of a biscuit eater. You know what? In this case, you just move the stop. What up, Sean? Yeah, I'm in 2 minis right here. I'm on an eval. Serdos. Trying to pass. Sean, it's funny that you just came on here. Listen what song just is now coming on. This is an eval, Sean. Eval. Bulenox. Oh, no. Working its way above the 50. Been a minute since we've been above the 50. Let's move the stop a little more. Let's trigger a few people. If we push back below that 70 level there, I may add one more, trying to work my way out of this. Throwing some 3-6 Mafia. Yeah, maybe. All right. Man, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sneak out of this one or not. It might be RIP. When in doubt, add more. That's what I'm doing. Oh shit, my 10,000 trades is in jeopardy. Oh. Alright. Really, the stop's for vanity. It's going to blow if it pushes above 25K. What could go wrong, Sir Doss? Exactly. Kind of breaking out here. It is touching a little bit of an imbalance here. Also kind of right there at that 90 level. Could get a little reaction off this level here. Just buy more. No biggie. Gotta have money to buy more, though. I think this one was $15. I can't keep contributing to other people's retirement fund. You know, I got to contribute to my own sometimes. Guys, you know, as soon as I'm in drawdown, the viewers come in. As soon as I'm in drawdown, the viewers show up. Matt will loan me some money. What Matt? Who Matt? Which Matt? Do I know a Matt? Mm-hmm. The broke one? That's me too. Kind of the same idea here. I mean, like, I think we retest 60 if we get below 70. Might take it off for a loss there if we get it. We'll see. Oh, your real name's Matt. I forgot. Matt Trader. Jason Matt Trader.
I gave you, you gave me. Bitch, I blazed you, you blazed me. Nothing more.
Oh, there we go. Get below 70 here to have a chance. Back into the range. I should just close it and switch long. I think so. All right, let's kind of give ourselves a chance here. Let's close it. Let's close it. Look for a long. Visible next time. Next time. Why not a million? Actually, next time I'm going to say 1 million trades in a row. All right, we're red on this account now. Picture of Dr. Evil. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. It's going to be funny if this pulls back and I go long and it dumps. Oh, man, that's going to be hilarious. You know? We're going to be We're going to be porting. Oh, man, come on. I was going to say, I can't really let this go back red. Can I let it go red? Probably not. Probably shouldn't. But we will. When in doubt, add more. We're almost full port here. Uh-oh. That's where I should have entered. All right, blue. That's where I should have entered right there. That was the real entry. RIP that account. RIP. Let's go. Well, let's go like to the 90. Let's go like to the 90 here. Yeah, that should have really been my entry. Yeah, for sure, full time, for sure. Full tilt. Tris, yeah, you should be done for the day. Makes sense. I didn't like that account anyway. I told you guys it'd be crazy if I go long and then it burns me both ways. I knew, I had a feeling. I had a feeling. And actually looking at this, like, where would the long actually be? Probably down here, like 946. That's where the long might be from, really. Thinking about killing this. If it loses the 960, I'm going to kill it. I think that's reasonable. Yeah, just keep it at like 20, 25 bucks. You can't pass a trade day. It's so annoying. Only need 500 more today. You blew it. That sucks. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I got my trade days. Like, I've been being super careful, you know, with these accounts. Like my trade days, they're only up 180. But then I got my 5 Take Profit Trader Pros. I mean, I'm going so slow with these. But, you know. And then the Apexes. I mean, everything is in the green. Everything is above the starting line. Just got to ease them into profit or ease them into the payout. These are all funded accounts except for that one red one, guys. One trade per day for almost a month. Doesn't matter. Yeah, Tris, I mean, that's a great... I mean, trust me, I used to do that. I was doing that for a long time. We got to trade a little more responsible with this account. Just, I mean, not totally responsible, but a little more. All right, this down here would be kind of a spot where I might look for a little long. I'll try it. Oh, god dang it, I just missed it. I'm looking at my phone. Ah, I think I missed it. Actually, 43. Might be the better spot. I'm not sure. I could short into that level too, really. Might choose to do that. I could take 10 points right here. I'm gonna try it. Stop to break even below those wicks right there. Below these wicks. Actually, what is that? 46. 46 will be the stop to break even. Of course, it would bounce on me right now. It'll do me dirty. Come on now. All right, stop to break even down here at 46. If we can get it. I knew that was going to happen. Like, I said that this is the long spot. And then, like, I'm trying to short into it, but I don't have enough room to take 10 points. Oh, now it goes. Really? Max is barking. That's your signal to go long. Oh, come on. I'm annoyed. Kind of annoyed. That one ticked me. It literally made a noise. It just didn't feel me. Well, well, well. It's all political. Charles, I'm not really doing anything right now. I mean, I do lean towards, like... I mean, here's the thing. Like, if we're gonna hold and push back up, this is kind of where it happens. But... You're certainly much safer shorting. Oh, we'll see what happens. I do think it goes back down. Could theoretically short here with a stop there. I mean, what is the... That's 15 points. I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to try it. It's not exactly the kind of setup that I might normally take, but I think it's okay. Stop. Good afternoon, Tony Gold. How's it going? Oh, OBS disconnected. See if we can reconnect here. All right, reconnected. Good. Again, the stop will go up here at like 58. No trigger yet. As long as we don't close above the 21, I'll keep this trade on. I'll keep like this order on. You have a long setup at my short. Yeah, Outer, I talked about this earlier. Like, this is a spot where I would have looked to have longed. But, yeah, John, just kind of having a little fun. A little fun. Square. Looking like it might push. And just going without us. Or, well, we never tagged us in. This will probably be a no trade. A little wider of a stop now. 19 points. Let's see. I would say this is probably like a C or a D setup. It's not great. But we'll take it. $3.15. We got about 45 minutes left in the day. Let's see how this candle closes. CRD, C or a D. So like A, B, C, D. This is like a C or a D. It's not great. And it's invalid. Invalidation. Yeah, no worries. Kill somebody who has nothing. A little bit of a higher low here. Oh. I just noticed. I didn't notice this earlier. I mean, I guess that did run the low. Barely, though. No, it didn't. So there was an SMT here. I didn't even notice that. I'm not gonna like trust any long setups until I don't think until until ES gets above 06. We got kind of a small bridge set up here. Ideally, we'll kind of enter up here. This will be like target 1, target 2. So maybe this thing can kind of... Maxie, what are we doing, bro? What are we doing? Equalo 942. Yeah, they're relative. Hey, chill. Next week, volume will be worse. Yeah. You ain't lying, Rob. The next 2 weeks, right? Pretty much now through the end of the year. Almost 3 weeks, really. I don't think volume's going to return to normal until what? Like January the 4th or something? Let me look. The calendar. Yeah, probably like January 5th. The volume will maybe return to normal. Merry Christmas. Like I said, I want to see this kind of break up here so we got room to this first target. So I would like to see another push up. 980s. 990. I'm okay with that. May not get it. And I will tell you guys, this wick up here, technically that's protected on the 5-minute, but those haven't been holding lately. But that technically is a protected wick. We really do need to sweep that low before we sweep this high. But market doesn't always do what we think it'll do. We don't need no stinking volume. That's true. Just click the button. Click the button. Starting to get a little squeezy. I'm going to be patient on this. Don't think we see the volume imbalance at 8:40 today. Maybe. CPI's tomorrow morning, isn't it, Chars? I think it is. That's what I was thinking. Cancel the long order. I think we just missed it. I said I was going to look for the long of the rebalance of this gap at 946, and I don't know. I did long, but as I've done so many times today, I took it off basically break even. So weaky and choppy, you got to really trust the trade if you're going to take it. Let me look at something right quick. Guys, if you see a short posted from me, if you see 4 posted from me and they have no sound, mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business. No, I'm just kidding. I know they don't have sound. I was just too lazy to go back and fix it. Damn. That's insanity right there. All right, here we go, guys. Yeah, the price action is not good. I mean, I wanted the short to be up here, but I'm going to take it if it triggers. Close below the trend line, it will trigger. And see, I hate it when a candle closes like this, because then the next one opens and I have to wait. Like, if you're going to break, just break. I mean, come on. I know it's going to bounce right there. That's target number 1. Push it on through there. Push it through there. Push it through there. There we go. Come on. Come to Papa. All right, I'll just take it off right there. Stop to break even. So tight, it's probably going to stop me out. See, like, I hate it when it does that. Because, like, it hit the first target already. Like, that could just... I mean, like, it's no guarantee you're going to hit the second target. That's what I hate about that. Like, no guarantee it's going to hit the second target. Well, outer, I actually like that it didn't sweep the swing high because, like I said, this theoretically is protected, which means that the leg that made the high, the low needs to be swept before this to be unprotected. So this needs to pull back, sweep the low, then this would be a valid target, in my opinion. But if you didn't cancel, you should have long order filled. Yeah, I mean, I don't hate it. If we get a candle close below 43, that would be a really good sign. But, and see, now this is about to close, and it's super scary to take this now. I mean, I think it's fine. All right, I'm going to take it just with 1 micro. I'm going to target the low-ish, almost the low. The stop has to go up here. Has to. And I do think below this wick here, I'm probably going to go break even. It's going to be breaking the 40. I expect expansion below that 40 there. I want to see a fast candle once we get below this wick. I want to see some expansion. I don't see any reason that we shouldn't push down into the 920s quickly. I broke the rule. I touched the stop again before it hit. The rule is no touching the stop until it hits where you're supposed to move it. I call a felony loving the way the guns blow. We'll add 1 here. For a couple of years. Oh, that's wrong. That's not a good candle. Come on, man. Don't be that way. What? Is this a... Oh, that's a new 15-minute candle. That's why it's doing that. It's like, what the hell's going on? It's doing what I didn't really want it to do here. Trapping both directions. Go ahead and protect myself here. Even though I theoretically should wait for it to break that low. It should break it here. There we go. Come on, get some expansion. Run, run, run. That's what I was thinking. Come on, man. That's so dirty. That's just how this price action is today. There's no reason for that to come back right there. No reason. No reason for that to come back. Who thinking elementary? I mean, there's like no reason for that to come back. I guess you just have to trust and put your stop like where it actually needs to be. Stop needs to be above this wick. That's insane. I mean, I think it's going to go and sweep the low, but what can you do? I mean, like, what can you do there? I don't know. What can you do there? I really don't know. I truly believe it's going down. But I don't know. I guess one thing I just noticed is ES just made a new low and Nasdaq did not. If ES gets back above 90 here, it might be off to the races. I just noticed that. Hot plate. Scripture. That was such a dirty wick earlier. This could be the sign that we're going back up. I mean, like I said, ES gets above that 89. Might stab long. I don't know. I hate that though. I hate that. Really do. I'm not picking the bottom. I'm not doing that shit. Not doing that shit. NQ took the low earlier. ES didn't. Yeah. I saw that, Zach. I missed it earlier, but I did see that SMT there. God, I make the Lord that to me, man. Always stay real. It's so amazing, though, how the bodies of these candles, you can just mark out the bodies, and look how they just respect that level. So as soon as you get a candle close below there, theoretically speaking, this thing could take off. Thank you, sweep 902. Kind of would make sense. I mean, just holding that level. Should I take the line off the chart? If I take the line off the chart, it'll probably close below it, huh? What do you guys think? Does the line on the chart mean anything? I don't know. If I just put a random line there, does it mean anything? Also, look at what we're kind of generating up here. Little trend line. You got 1, 2, 3. Basically 4 touches on that thing. Little wedge. I think we sweep the low and then we blast. That's what I think. That's my prediction. Try and point and control here. Whoop, woo! Something like that. With those types of audio effects as well. Sometimes. All right, if we get a close below here, I may stab. We'll look for one more pushback up into the 46s. And then I'm going to stab. Stop will be 8 points. 8 to 10 points there. Hey, Aries271, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Triple distribution. I mean, I'd like a shorter stop than this. I mean, I guess, all right, we'll take it. Well, there's the entry that I wanted. Seems wrong not to take it, so let's take it. We got the murder bot coming up here soon, don't we? Let me see. Yeah, about 10 minutes. Come on. Bruh. You got me. Come on. Thank you. Hit the target. Be very sweet to me. I'm always sweet to you. Be sweet to me. Be sweet to me. Come on. You can do it. Be sweet to me. Be very sweet to me, like you should be. 25023? No. I don't want that. I don't want it. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. I don't want to do this. I mean, do I dig in here? I don't know. Woo! I don't know. I don't know if I dig in. Yeah, that's the problem, Vortex. You got kind of this wedge with a little trendline liquidity up here. So... that's kind of the problem. If we get above this 50 here, we could start running. Try to get my average down a little bit. Never knew I. Come on. Murder bot around the corner? Yeah. 8 minutes. It's just trapping both directions. Makes it difficult to do anything. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my stops up above this wick. I don't love it, but we're breaking out here. It's for the kids' amusement. You're probably right, trade day. I need it to hold the trend line here. All right, I'm going to look for the longs now. It's probably going to trap me in both directions now. Some shady would be something to you. Oh, come on. I can't move all those. Look at this shit. I knew that shit was going to do that. I knew it. Gonna trap both directions. I'm just taking that off. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying, you know. I clicked then in a second, I clicked the trade. Yeah, I did. Maxie, Max, oh my God, man, what are you barking at? I knew it was going to do that. I knew. I was like, this shit's just going to trap. That's why I knew if I put my stop up here, that's where it needs to be, but. Daddy girl. Max knew something. He's in there going crazy. He is going crazy. I knew it was going to do it. I still think I don't know, it's such a tricky spot here. Grow Light the candle. Oh. To yell at that dog. He's in there barking at nothing. Yeah, Dylan, it's probably for the best. I might be a little aggressive. I mean, the liquidity is up. We already kind of ran some of that down, but I don't mean that that will work. Got 2 minutes. All right, minute and 30 seconds here. I'm going to pick a direction in a minute. We're going to pick one and go with it. Too many barks means consolidation. All right, let's take one. I'm going to go long. We're going to go long. We've decided. We love the long. Let's see if the long is friendly with us. Does the long show us the same love that we show it? This dog. All right, had to yell at him. All right, 20 seconds. Full port. And it went the other way. Shocker. So if I was looking at ES there, I'm going to hold this, guys. If I was looking at ES there, kind of had trend line the other direction. So kind of had liquidity to the downside on the ES. So we'll see. We should the button the opposite? Yeah, exactly. Well, it's a guess, right? It's just a guess. I'm just going to hold this into open or into close now. If she blows, she blows. Move those TPs up there so we can get a nice win if she sweeps the low and then goes. I knew it had to sweep the low in order for this to be a good target. Like, I don't know why I go against what I say. I don't know why I do. I just do that nonstop. I'm like, oh, it needs to sweep the low because this high is protected. And then I'm like, oh, let's long into this high. It's just dumb. I don't know why I do stuff like that. I don't know why I do that. Alright, there's the sweep of the low. Might be RIP to this account. Gonna need it to go here. 24,903. Maybe. Seems like all week, yeah. $50K in RK stocks. I'm like, if ES loses the 81, then I'll probably just kill it. But if we can hold the 81, we'll stay in it. We'll see if we can squeeze into close. It very well could. All right, ES is at the 81. See if he can hold that level. 7 to bone, 2 pass. Alfred. Murderbot number 2 in 2 minutes. Yeah. We need it to go in our favor. 45 seconds, I guess. ES held the 81 for now. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to hold. Ten seconds. Might be RIP. All right, I'm going to kill it there. Give myself a little bit of room for tomorrow. I'll still have about $500 in drawdown on this account. Just going to full port it at open tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Just full port it. I knew it was short, man. I don't know why I go against what I think. Like, I really don't. I don't know why I go against that. Like, I know this high is protected. I know it's protected. It's so stupid. Like, I don't know why I do stuff like that. You guys ever do that? I mean, we have a high that swept a high inside a fair value gap. So there's a little high here. So this high is now protected. It's protected until the leg that made the high, until we make a new low. Then that's an okay target. It's not an okay target until we sweep the low. I know that. But I went against it. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I do that. I literally said it. I literally said that. And just go against it. So we're down $1,429 on the day on that account. We left ourselves about $500 for tomorrow. We're going to just do a little full port action tomorrow on it. See if we can't. Maybe not on the news. It might just be at open. Trade it at the open on the opening range. And go from there. I think that probably makes the most sense. It's in random over and under price. I'm going to take the 15-minute orb, Zach. So I've been taking the 15-minute orb like I took this morning. You can see today it paid. I mean, it paid so big today, but the sad thing is I was up $400 on this account. I should. I mean, it's a good lesson. I shouldn't even traded it anymore. I mean, the orb today paid 540 points with basically no drawdown. Basically no drawdown. Bear market's back. Saturday, Santa rally upside down. Yeah, it could be. I mean, it's not looking like a Santa rally now, huh? Definitely not. We'll try a little long here. Oh, we already got it. God dang it. I didn't even notice that. Wasn't paying attention. We already kind of got that pushback up. I'm telling you guys, I'm not trading very well today. I didn't even notice that we already got the trade. I'm telling you guys, I'm just not trading great today. Micron earnings? You think that'll move the market, though? I don't know. Outer, I would take a long back through the whole number. So, on the first push down, you come in and you take the long back through the whole number. You can see it already popped 28 points there. I didn't see it. I didn't see that it already had happened. I wasn't paying attention. We might try to take another stab. We'll see. Why not? All right. Appreciate you, Martin. Oh, shit. We're in the final minute already. Many. The one time I short. Anyways, all right, guys. That's going to do it for me today. Down 1736. We got $280 to deal with tomorrow on that account. So we'll see what we can do with it. Maybe we can run it up, maybe not. Here's the other accounts. You can see them. Now she squeezes. You dirty mother. But anyways, I'll be back tomorrow, guys, 9:15 a.m. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.
Counting coins from day